Assalamu alaikum student. Today we discuss the topic that is the stress of the chapter physics of solid. What is the stress? Stress is basically the intensity of force that is applied of any body area. When you apply the force on a body, when you push, pull, stretch or compress the body, this internal restoring force develops inside the material. If we discuss it, that is the definition of the stress is we write that stress is basically the force applied per unit area when you apply force on a body. For example, pull, push, stretch, compress. The internal restoring force develops inside the material. If we discuss about the stress formula of stress, that is the force per unit area, we can also write as F over A. If we discuss about it, unit of stress is Pascal, that is represented by PA. If we try to remember the stress in one line, we remember that stress is the cause. Stress that is produce the deformation in a body by applying force. So stress is the cause. Okay, now move to the second topic, that is the strain. What is the strain? Strain is the basically measure the amount of deformation. So here we write that what is the strain? Strain is basically measure the amount of deformation. If we discuss about the definition of the strain, it tell us how much the object change in length, shape or volume. If we discuss its units or formula, strain formula is that is the change in length over original length. If we discuss its unit, strain has no unit because it is the ratio of the length. So here we write that the no unit. If we try to remember the strain in one line, so we remember that strain is the effect of stress. Strain is the effect and stress is the cause. Okay, now we discuss the simple example of the stress or strain. Here we know that when you pull, you apply force or stress on a body. Second, we write that when it become longer, that change in length is strain. If we write the one line difference in the stress or strain, that we know that stress force per unit area and that is the cause. If we talk about the strain, deformation per unit length per unit original length, so that is the effect. This is the stress and this is the strain. Stress is the cause and strain is the effect. So we can write that in this summary. Stress cause deformation and strain is basically measure the deformation. Strain measures deformation. Okay, that is all we discuss about the stress and strain. Hope you like my video. If you like my video, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.